Vladimir Bubnikov found the answer to this question in the works of Canadian scientists who drilled the ice in Antarctica. Examining the ice cores extracted from the depth, they noted dark layers of volcanic ash, and it turned out that each subsequent layer was deposited 12,000 years after the previous one, and so it has been repeated for hundreds of thousands of years. This can only mean one thing. At the end of each great cycle, seismic and volcanic activity increased dramatically. The atmosphere was saturated with smoke and ash, which, once settled, froze on the ice shell of the sixth continent. The Earth experienced something like a biblical end of the world. Further, Vladimir Vasilyevich says that a vigorous gravitational impact from the planets along the Sun, a parade of planets, will give an impetus to rampant global catastrophes. At this time, the most active surface layers of the Sun will cause eruptions of giant tornadoes of plasma, which will reach the Earth at a speed of 200 to 700 kilometers per second. As a result, the inclined geographical axis of the planet will shift from 23.5 degrees to 22 degrees, while the magnetic pole will move 60 degrees latitude west and stop at the north of Canada. Only after 6 years, the magnetic, geographical, and elliptical axis will return to their place. But during this time, the Earth will shift and faults develop, while subsidence of the Earth's crust in some places and its rise in others will cause a series of destructive earthquakes and movement of huge masses of water. Volcanoes erupting everywhere will emit so much ash into the atmosphere that the sun's rays will no longer reach the surface of the Earth.